of August 2021. It's so sunny today and I'm really happy about it because it's been overcast all week, and as much as I don't like the weather to affect my mood, it does kind of affect my mood, you know, when it's just hanging in the air and you just want it to clear. So I definitely feel a lot lighter today. It is the day before my last ever wedding cake setup. Can you believe it? It's very exciting. I am about to go and collect some of the flowers that I've ordered to go on the cake. And then I'll be coming back here just to do any final preparations, get all the cakes boxed up. They're all baked and iced and dowed, as you saw in the time lapse at the beginning of this video. There are 3 tiers, so there's another one to go on top of the 2 that you saw. I like to get everything kind of ready the day before so that I know that it's all done and it can chill in the fridge overnight, so it's all really like firm. In terms of the decoration, that will all be done at the venue once we have delivered and I've stacked it all. In my empty space studio. I've got the goods. I've got the flowers. Don't focus on my face. Edible mix flowers. Very pretty. I used to order these online. There's a company called Maddox Farm Organics, something like that, Maddox Farm, which are a fantastic company. They grow loads of different varieties of flowers in the UK, so you can order from them. However, I recently found out that my local greengrocers sold them, which is amazing really. They do all sorts of things, not just fruit and veg, and they supply a lot of like food businesses and stuff. It was my mum that told me about this, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna shop local and get it from them. And it's really handy for me because I could just literally order them this week and then walk down the road and pick them up, so that's great. And these are going to go in the fridge overnight just to keep them cool and fresh, and they will be assembled on the cake last minute when I set it up, because they're the type of thing that don't really last for that long. They are, as I say, edible. You wouldn't necessarily want to eat them, although you can. I have eaten them before on salads, but they are food safe basically, and they look so pretty on cakes and really colourful and vibrant, so definitely worth using as a decoration if you are a cake maker or a keen baker. That's about it for today really, because I've done pretty much everything that I need to. It's just making sure that I've got everything prepared for tomorrow, all the decorations, the cakes obviously, and any extras that I might need while setting up. And of course all my camera kit and spare batteries. I'm always like, is there something I've forgotten? But I've never turned up to a wedding cake setup and forgotten something. It's about an hour's drive, which is a bit of a distance, but it's not overly hot in the UK at the moment, which is definitely a good thing. I delivered and set up a wedding cake earlier in the year when it was a heat wave, and I was quite nervous about it, but because it had been really chilled down in the fridge overnight, and we put the air conditioning on and just like put some ice packs around it, it arrived in like perfect condition even after being in the car for about an hour. So it is possible. It's really nothing to worry about. The important thing is to be prepared and take any extras that you might need, like extra buttercream, just in case you need to like tidy up any parts on the cake. So I'm not really like nervous about this one. I'm just excited. I'm really excited. Oh, one more thing I will mention before I end this clip. You may have seen at the beginning of this video that I already dowed and stacked the first 2 tiers. I do prefer to deliver cakes this way because the buttercream will soften slightly during transit, and it is easier to stack them when the cakes have come directly from the fridge. So what I did to keep it all sturdy is I inserted a center dowel which goes through the bottom tier, up through the second tier. I made a little hole in the cake board. What this does is it just stops it from like sliding about, and then all I need to do at the venue is put the top tier on top and decorate it. I'm pretty sure that I've made a whole video about this. Hopefully I've explained it right, but if anyone has any questions then just drop them in the comments below. 29th of August 2021, that's just right. Got my sunnies, thank you. All the accessories. Just about ready to go now. Got the cakes behind me. 1, 2, 3 tiers. I need to get the flowers out the fridge. Some camera gear over there. Driver at the ready. Last little road trip, Dad.
Yeah, well I bet it isn't.
No, it won't be our last road trip. I'm sure we'll have many more road trips. Just maybe not to set up wedding cakes. So yeah, we've got about 50-minute drive.
44, it's Satnav, Mr. Satnav says.
Mr. Satnav says 44.
Google Maps.
44 minutes, so we're going to...
But I keep changing the route he wants me to take, so it could change one way or the other.
Might be going around the houses.
Because I'm just following my nose.
Yes, it's a location we've not been to before. It's actually a restaurant, but it looks really nice. It's kind of set in the middle of a wooded area, it seems. So, yeah, looking forward to it. Always nice to visit a new place. We are 1 minute from the destination. good little drive. My stomach is doing somersaults, but we're okay.
Oh, you bugger.
Oh, Dad. So I'll just do a quick spin of the camera. How do we get in? Open sesame. Oh wow, it worked.
It worked.
It worked! Yeah! So yeah, we're in the middle of a wood, which is what I thought it would be.
Ransomwood.
Ransomwood. The restaurant is called Forever Green Restaurant, which kind of makes sense. I think it's like a glass-fronted building. I don't know. We'll see in a minute. I thought that was a person. I was like, oh my god.
We've hired someone to stand still, very, very still for the entire day.
Here. I'm chatting to the groom, who I do know actually